What a pussy.
Got his copy, everything, video, everything. Motherfucker can't even fucking work like a normal mechanic. He gotta fucking play with a camera all fucking day.
This is real nice, Keith. I'm trying to give video tutorials out here for those idiots that don't know what they're doing. You know, it's like, you know. No, I'm just kidding. No, I ain't gonna call anybody idiots. I'm not gonna be as harsh as you, Keith. The caliper, fucking truck new. The damn caliper boot's already ripped on one piston there.
Squeezy, you little bitch.
Hey, that's one-handed. If I could put two on here, I'll bust this thing. I'll bust it with one hand just about. I've already broke two of them. Had to get them warranty. It's the best tool ever, though. I love this tool. Don't lie, you like it too. You use it a lot. That's gonna be funny later on when you see you on YouTube call me a little bitch and shit. I'm gonna love it. I'll be laughing. All them guys are always taking out both bolts. I only take out the one at the bottom. Yeah, you can do that. And I'll grease that. This should be replaced, actually.